Hey guys, for dinner tonight we are having some grilled chicken. It's warm here, so we grilled some chicken thighs and chicken breasts. I'm just having a seasoned chicken thigh, some rice pilaf, and some steamed broccoli, which has just salt, pepper, butter, a little parm cheese, and some garlic powder. And this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made a spiral ham. It's like a honey maple glazed ham with some cabbage, which is that coleslaw mix that I talk about all the time. And I did add seasonings and some pepperoni for some flavor. I'll probably talk about that more in a future video with a little pepperoni trick. And then some red potatoes that I roasted in some olive oil, thyme, garlic, salt, pepper, and rosemary. And this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made a pesto pasta primavera. So there's no meat, I'm just putting a little cheese. There's just a bunch of different veggies. There's yellow squash and zucchini with tomatoes and onion and broccoli with some crusty Italian bread, and then a side salad here, which looks really good. And this is our dinner tonight, so no meat. Here is our dessert tonight. My mom and I went to Amelie's in Rock Hill, and we got a bunch of different things for dessert. We got some raspberry macaroons, some mini fruit tarts, a lemon meringue tart, cream puff, and then some, these are some salted caramel brownies. Look really, really good. And that's dessert tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight we are doing a very simple dinner. I made some of the DiGiorno brand. This is the thin crust margarita pizza. It is really, really good. The crust is delicious. So it's a margarita pizza. I'm just having a couple slices of that. And then I made a big side salad with some spring mix and cucumbers. I have some pico, some alfalfa sprouts. There's onion in there. And then I'm going to use the coconut ginger dressing from Planet Organics. I always have a discount code down below in every video in the description box if you want to try out any of these dressings. They are really, really good. A bottle this small will last you forever. So this is what we are having tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight we are having some chicken skewers. I got these at BJ's. They also have them at Costco. They're like a garlic chicken skewer. I made some of the Near East quinoa. This is the rosemary olive oil quinoa, some steamed corn, and then some of the pico from BJ's that I just like to eat with the chicken. And Matt's having the same thing, but one last chicken skewer. And this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made a pasta dish with sausage and a whole bunch of veggies. There's zucchini and yellow squash and peppers and onion and garlic and mushrooms with a little cheese, some seasonings. I actually used some ranch seasoning, some black pepper, and some red pepper flake. And again, just a little parm cheese on top. And this is dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight we're having breakfast for dinner. Some pineapple, some bacon here, a half a bagel each, with a little butter on it, and then 3 over, like fried over easy eggs. If you poke them, there's yolk in the middle, and some coffee. And this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made some Hashbrown Casserole. I have a video on that, I'll link it below. Some coleslaw mix that I use all the time. It's just the cabbage mix with the carrot, and I saute it all the time in a little olive oil. And I used some Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel seasoning. And then 2 thin cut like maple glazed pork chops that I pan fried in a little bit of vegetable oil, just the tiniest bit to coat the bottom. And this is our dinner tonight. I think I'm also going to have some applesauce. Matt's having the same exact thing, but just a little bit more of the potatoes. And this is our dinner.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so for dinner tonight, it's a really quick and easy dinner. If you've not been following my channel for a while and you're kind of new here, my son goes to speech therapy a couple days a week after school, and on those days we get home much later, so I really need to pull some quick things together. So these are some Green Giant broccoli cheese tots. I just baked them with a little bit of cooking spray and they get crispy. You have to flip them. And then I used some of the Perdue, these are the all-natural chicken strips, and I just bake them and put marinara and Parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese. And it's just kind of like a little version of a really quick and easy, like semi-homemade chicken Parmesan. We are also in the process of trying to sell our home and getting ready to relocate about 900 miles back to New York. So again, just trying to use up what we have, make a quick and easy dinner, and this is what we're having tonight.